In this episode of Lemon to Lambo, we fix absolutely everything wrong with our Audi A5.
Everything.
Absolutely everything.
And everything.
Everything.
If you're new to the Lemon to Lambo challenge, it's where myself and Morgan go from car to car, flipping our way up to hopefully eventually getting that Lamborghini. We started off with a Mazda 3 MPS, sold that down into a Suzuki Swift, which then we sold that into a WX and sold that into a Lexus that we don't talk about. We sold that into a Mazda 6 MPS, and then we sold that into our current car, which is the Audi A5. Now, if you were watching our auction videos, you'll know that the car is pretty much immaculate, barring two things. The push start button, someone really aggressively started that car, and there's a piece of trim on the seat that needs to be repaired, fixed, / replaced. So that's what we're doing today, fixing everything, two things.
Yep.
Two things.
Two things.
So if you saw our auction video, you'll know that really the only thing wrong with the Audi A5 is the start-stop button here. So as you can see, Morgan's got a shot. Someone must have really wanted to start this A5 because they punched a hole through the button. So all we're doing today is putting this new one. This one's out of an Audi, I think it's Q7. They're all the same part numbers. So all we got to do is take apart the center console, pop out this start stop button, and pop the replacement one in. Alright, so we've finally gotten rid of the old one. Boy, was that a fight, all for a simple start-stop button. So we resorted to removing it piece by piece because it just was not budging out. I think one of the clips had broken inside, which is why it was stuck in there, which was annoying. But yeah, that's gone. Now we can, right there, put the new start-stop button in. Oh, look at that. Alright, so before we go and clip everything back together, the button is clicked in. We'll see if it works. I mean, it has lit up and it is red. It's all lit up. Screens are all turned on. Radio's turned on. Turn it off. And off. So, button works. Now, for the simplest piece of this swap today is putting it all back together. Are you Morgan? Ready, Morgan? This is going to take like 5 seconds.
Yeah, I'm on it.
You ready?
I'm on it, yep.
Ashtray still works. Cool. Okay, oh, we gotta use our start stop button. And turn it on. Turns on. You can still shift. That all works. Turn that off. Parking sensors, that still works. Traction control still works. And it is, yeah, there we go. Solid. Everything still works. Excellent. So, ready to be sold. So it turns out we are not ready to sell. We've got one small thing left to do, which is this. Probably thinking, what the hell is this? It's just a piece of plastic. You'd be correct. It's from the seat, And I had a go at trying to remove the front plastic seat trim from one of the vehicles at the wreckers when I was getting the button. And yeah, 45 minutes, nah, still couldn't get it. So I thought, hey, we can just glue this back together. It's on a part of the seat that's not really seen or touched. Well, I mean, you see it when you get in at a glance, but you know, you don't really touch it. So I'll glue this back together and that'll be all good.
All right, so it's finally done. Thanks for staying this long into the video, the whole 20 minutes of it. The button's in. Doesn't look crappy and a hole in it and all that kind of stuff.
Pressed the last one.
Yes, and actually it was so difficult getting it out. Well, I didn't get it out, you got it out.
Yeah, it was, normally what happens is you just pinch the two clips, the thing slides out. Not with this one. The clip had broken off and it was jammed on in there.
It's in now. And we also fixed the little trim piece on the side of the...
Fixed in quotation marks.
Yeah, fixed.
It's together.
There's no hole in the little plastic.
No, you can't see into the seat, but it could be better. If in an ideal world we would have just replaced that piece of trim, but that was even harder to get out than it was to get out of the push button start. So I thought, hey, we got some glue lying around, some super glue, which Morgan and I probably should have read the instructions.
Gloves would have been good.
Yeah, we are ripping skin off.
Yeah, definitely
to get this glue.
Recommended as well for anything.
Oh yeah, if you never want to take it apart, awesome stuff. And they're nice and mini.
Yeah.
Little tiny things. But yeah.
It's done.
It's done.
Pretty
Pretty anticlimactic. Thanks for begrudgingly going through this long 2-minute probably video on us fixing the A5. If you haven't already, hit that like button and comment below. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. We do look at the analytics. Only 10% of you are subscribed, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. But hopefully, next video you see of us is us dishing out the dollar bills because we made some profit. Hopefully. It's been a while. I mean, we did make profit on the MPS, but we could have mowed our neighbors' lawns and made more money.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we'll see you later. And hopefully we sell it, make some good bank. All right, see you later.